client wanted to harm, injure, or hurt Mr. Henry, he would have punched him, not slap him.
Only on 8 closing arguments in the civil trial, the rapper Quavo, accused of starting this fight at the Wynn and injuring a valet emotionally and physically. We thank you for staying with us here at 6:30. I'm Denise Valdez.
And I'm Brian Loftus. The rapper and his lawyers say the valet is trying to hit what they call the hip-hop lotto. 8 News Now investigator Kyle Payne, the only reporter following this case, has the story now from the Regional Justice Center.
Lawyers spent all day arguing in front of a Clark County jury Tuesday, ending weeks of testimony and trial, all boiling down to one major question. How much money is one slap worth?
6 years now since this has happened, and the defendants have refused to take this seriously, have refused to accept accountability for their actions or understand or care for what Antonio has suffered for.
The attorney for then Wynn employee Antonio Henry, slapped by the rapper Quavo back in 2018 in video first obtained by the 8 News Now investigators. Quavo, on the stand earlier in trial, admits to what the video shows, that he slapped Henry. But Quavo argues he didn't hurt him or even intend to, and the slap is just a slap.
A slap, ladies and gentlemen, is not something that is beyond the tolerance of a civilized society.
This scuffle, though, was anything but civilized. And while Henry's lawyers say he was a broken man both physically and emotionally afterward, and to this day, the major arguments, as they often do, came down to cash. In this case, Henry is looking for $800,000.
But it's this blind pursuit of his hip-hop lotto ticket that requires him to come before you and ask you for that amount of money.
The fact that this is about money is only because we can't go back in time. We can't have made Mr. Marshall act with kindness instead. This is our only remedy here. But it's not a lottery.
There are other defendants in this lawsuit, but most of the case starts and ends with the rapper Quavo hitting that valet and whatever physical and emotional injuries that slap may or may not have caused the plaintiff in this case. Reporting at the Regional Justice Center, Kyle Payne, 8 News Now.
The judge will select 8 jurors to deliberate in the civil trial, and just 6 of those 8 need to agree in order to reach a verdict.